How I get more businesses, more leads through Instagram is Instagram SEO. So let me give you my 6 secret strategies to Instagram. Secret number 1 is engage and only follow with people within your niche. Instagram has a very popular feature, which is the suggested. So if you engage with people within your niche, you will also get suggested to their audience too. High leverage activity. Secret number 2 is make sure you're commenting on other people's posts. Okay, this is really important for the algorithm to show you're active and wanting to engage in the community and being shown on the algorithm. Secret number 3, and I didn't even want to give this away, but in your name on Instagram, right? Not the @ not the username, the actual name. If you're a personal brand, do your personal brand plus your niche, or if you're a business, do your business name plus whatever your niche is, or if you're a local business, do your name plus location. For example, if you're a photographer in Amsterdam, put photographer in Amsterdam as your name. Secret number 3 is stack your bio with 3 keywords, your 3 primary keywords. Be strategic and be natural. Secret number 4 is put keywords in your captions, especially in the beginning as your hook. Secret number 5 is include keywords everywhere. So not just the caption. Make sure if you're doing a talking reel, say your keywords organically within the content. Or if you're putting text on the screen of your image or reel, make sure the image has those keywords there. Secret number 6, always post on Meta Business Suite. You might as well post on both Facebook and Instagram, and there's a lot of other features that you might not get if you're posting directly from Instagram or Facebook.